Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. Click Start menu, then click Settings. Click Privacy and Security, then click on Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Under the Virus and Threat Protection settings, click Manage Settings. Then turn off Real-Time Protection. Then turn off Cloud Delivered Protection. Then turn off Automatic Sample Submission. Then turn off Tamper Protection. Click Back. Select Alert Threats. Then click Privacy Settings. Click General. Then turn off all options. Click Start menu. Click Search bar, then tap Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Click File. Then select Run New Task. Click Browse. Click this PC. Then click Local Disk C. Open Windows folder. Then open System32 folder. Then find CMD. Double click CMD file. Then check mark this option. Click OK. Then type command gp update. Click Enter. Type exit. Click Enter. Then restart your operating system. Thanks for watching.